Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making creamy garlic salmon. So let's get started. So here I have my salmon already rinsed it off with some lemon and water, and now I'm just going to season it with some salt and pepper. Do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be listed in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. And now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, season with salt and pepper. So here I have some oil in a pan, and I'm going to go ahead and cook the salmon for 5 minutes on each side. Once the salmon is complete, go ahead and remove it from the pan and set it aside for later. In the same pan, go ahead and melt your butter. Add your garlic and cook until it's nice and fragrant. Now for our sauce, I've added some half and half as well as some Parmesan cheese, and I'm just going to stir in the cheese until it's melted. Once the cheese is melted, go ahead and add your chicken broth, your parsley, and season with some onion powder, basil, Italian seasoning, and some peppers. And go ahead and mix that in. Once that's in, go ahead and add your spinach. And now go ahead and add some sun-dried tomatoes. And I'm going to cook that for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once that's done, go ahead and return the salmon to your pan. And I'm going to continue to cook for about 3 minutes. And once it's done, it should look like this. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like this video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. See you next time. Take care. Bye.